Don't let my smile deceive you. I know who I am. I know what I can do. Behold vast wings just beyond my hair's caress. You wonder why you're confused? Let me confess. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. Boiling blood of beasts, the appetite of savages. Eyes lining my skin, I hear the rattling of cages. Yet I drink to my freedom, I savor my bliss. I am ready, they will fear my fearlessness. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. My love undefined, my taste unrefined. My gaze undemure, my yearning perilously pure. No contrived clocks, no feet under duress. In bed or battlefield, I seek only my heart's success. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. It's not over. Yeah. No idle faiths in my fragile veins. Strength and beauty are mine, not my pain. Even as I bleed, I don't walk on my knees. I only forge empires above their simple heads. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. Scarred and reborn every day, silent, powerful by my will, my way. A spirit-branded alien, but no more than human. As I transcend your mind, you only witness. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. Don't let my smile deceive you. I know who I am. I know what I can do. Behold vast wings just beyond my hair's caress. You wonder why you're confused? Let me confess. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. Boiling blood of beasts, the appetite of savages. Eyes lining my skin, I hear the rattling of cages. Yet I drink to my freedom, I savor my bliss. I am ready, they will fear my fearlessness. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. My love undefined, my taste unrefined. My gaze undemure, my yearning perilously pure. No contrived clocks, no feet under duress. In bed or battlefield, I seek only my heart's success. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. No idle faiths in my fragile veins. Strength and beauty are mine, not my pain. Even as I bleed, I don't walk on my knees. I only forge empires above their simple heads. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress. Scarred and reborn every day, silent, powerful by my will, my way. A spirit-branded alien, but no more than human. As I transcend your mind, you only witness. I am a conqueror and I wear a pretty dress.